Yeah.
And it's all foam or but I think right there. Plus this is right in the middle. There. Yeah, and then
Yeah.
huh?
Yeah. Damn. That's good. I'm just trying to get you off the street. That's good, bro. I know what you're thinking. Why are you dumping the scrap? We're not. In the morning, we're going to transfer this over to our other trailer. Our scrap trailer. We got good enough room. Hopefully we can fit it all. All right. All right, I don't know how well y'all can see, but we finished this room. We got well into the dark hours. Trailer is nice and full. We got a few scraps in there, but we're going to sort that in the morning so we can go and scrap that. And then dump the rest of the trash. So yeah, we'll sort this out. So Chris,
What?
nothing. Then we got some more scrap here. Alrighty, y'all, thanks for watching.